Welcome to today's edition of Layoff and Employment News by Employment Boost. Today's date is Monday, May 15th, 2023. If you're an individual affected by a layoff, or if you're a company facing a reduction in force, click the link above now or in the description box below for more information about our firm's outplacement support services and how we can help you as an individual land on your feet faster and get into a new job as quickly as possible, or as an organization, how we can smooth the layoff process and assist with your reduction in force. Now, on to today's headlines. Legal tech has been one of the hardest hit industries in the US relative to size since the initial COVID-19 job flurry faded into layoffs mid last year. Since June 2022, legal tech companies have laid off more than 2,000 employees, according to analysis by Law 360 Pulse. And those layoffs are not over yet, with e-discovery provider Everlaw laying off 50 employees, or 10% of its workforce, late last week. In more tech news, while larger companies have been quiet since the